that if there's one thing, I will not leave this office until I fix this. This is it. This is one of those things. So. Good morning. I am here together with Mayor Benji Magalong to inspect some of these problematic again flood control projects. I think you can see for yourself talagang hindi trinabaho ng mabuti ito dahil yung ginawang slope protection supposedly dito ay bumigay agad. Sinama pati yung slope protection na dapat na nandyan na hindi ginawa ay bumagsak nito at mabigat, nasira yung kalsada. Ngayon, nakita ngayon namin yung erosion sa ilalim ng kalsada, which is the most important part, ay wala na, na-erode na dahil yung ginawa nilang protection wall ay ubod ng hina, ubod ng liit. At you will see it later. You can see it sa ilalim ng tunnel, talagang na-erode na dahil yung slope protection dito sa baba, sa tabi ng ilog, ay napakababa at napakahina. Kaya nung pumasok yung tubig, nung bumigat yung tubig, tangay kagad. Kaya pakita mo rito, tangay na ito lahat. This was all destroyed because of the landslide here, the rock slide here, and the erosion under the road. Now, the project that was supposed to take care of this cost us 260 million, more or less, 260 million. The 260 million that the government spent for this project had no effect whatsoever as to protect the slope. Parang walang ginawa. Sana, pareho lang. Kung wala silang tinayo, wala silang linagay na wall, wala silang linagay na riprap, wala silang linagay na slope protection, ganun din ang nangyari. Kaya ang valor ng kanilang trabaho is zero, complete zero. And here's the other thing, that's why I keep talking about economic sabotage. Ang feedback natin from the mayor and from the other, the mayor is also here. Dito ba? Oh, we are talking to the mayor in terms of the effect on businesses. Because of this, because nagsara ito, hindi na magamit ito, in terms of business, 30%, 35%, I think is the number, 35% kaagad ng kanilang hanapbuhay ay nawala dahil dito. So it is not only the damage, the physical damage that we can see, but it is also the damage to the economy. It is also the damage to the people's livelihood. Naghahanap buhay lang naman ito mga tao ito, tinanggal sa kanila 35% ng kanilang hanap buhay para ibulsa ang pera ng gobyerno. Kaya naman, hindi kayo magtataka that if there's one thing, I will not leave this office until I fix this. This is it. This is one of those things. So very, very clear. Here we go again. Pang lima na yata nating inspection ito. And it's always the same.